Ever wondered how a pickup truck could become a powerhouse of innovation? Uncover the jaw-dropping inventions redefining what's possible, as these cutting-edge upgrades propel pickup trucks into an era of unparalleled versatility and performance. Take a look at Rough Country's special tire holder. It's not at the back or below the truck, but on the truck bed itself. It does use some space, but it keeps the weight off the sides and protects the bottom. This holder fits tires up to 40 inches and makes taking off the spare tire simple. It costs $200. Take a look at the special Ford F-250 Super Duty made by the DeBerti design team. This truck is powerful because it has a 900 horsepower engine. What's interesting is that it has secret storage spots under the fenders. Also, if you pull the rear bumper, there's a place where they keep a welding machine, and they've improved the wheels too. They've put on strong 17-inch discs with 37-inch BF Goodrich KR2 tires. Have a look at this really neat product known as the CURT PowerRide. This hitch for wheels makes it easier to tow camping trailers. It's designed for loads up to 13.6 tons, and it's simple to set up without needing to weld anything. You can change its height within a 10 centimeters range. Also, when you're not using it, it comes apart into multiple pieces. It's available for $1,588. Tune Outdoor has a surprise for pickup truck owners. Check out this camper. It's lightweight, adding only 163 kilograms to the vehicle's total weight. But don't be misled by its weight. These campers are packed with everything you need. The basic setup includes a 360-degree view, lighting, and a 10 centimeters thick mattress. You have lots of choices to customize it yourself, and the prices begin at $113,000. Before we dive in, sprinkle some love. Like, share, and hit subscribe to join our community and discover more fantastic content ahead. Do you know how to upgrade a tow hitch and sell it for $37? Just add extra bumper protection and built-in mud flaps in the 3XL version. The mud flaps extend 23 centimeters beyond the frame, and the rubber is thick to prevent ice and mud buildup, keeping it to a minimum. Take a look at this amazing system that transforms how you carry long items in your pickup truck, whether it's kayaks or lumber. The T-bone system lengthens the bed by 1.2 meters and can support loads up to 136 kilograms. Crafted from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, it only weighs 7.2 kilograms. It's available in various colors to match your truck, and this system is up for grabs at $260. Take a look at the tailgate ladder from Traxion teams. With the 5100 version, you can effortlessly climb up to 107 centimeters high. It's robust and can support a weight of up to 136 kilograms. When not in use, securely store it against the tailgate without any trouble in the cargo bed. You can get this at a price of $53. Turn your pickup truck into a mobile party with this kit. For only $45, you receive 8 light modules, each containing 9 LEDs. Adjust colors and settings effortlessly using a remote control or a smartphone app. These modules are durable, lasting up to 50,000 hours, and their robust housings protect against dust and accidental water immersion up to a meter deep. Here's an update on solving the issue of short truck beds for long loads. Manufacturers made it easy by skipping metal structures and offering a simple-to-mount option. It takes only a minute to install. This addition extends the cargo bed's usable length by 1.6 or 2.4 meters. When not needed, it neatly folds under the rear seat. You can get the 2.4 meter version for $210. Circle R presents an additional truck bed extender that deserves attention. This model expands the platform to either 2.4 or 3 meters and works well with various popular pickup trucks from Ford, Chevrolet, and other brands. The Circle R comes in 3 parts, weighing approximately 18 kilograms, which makes it easy to handle alone. You can buy the Circle R for $300. Let's explore these special bumpers called Flog Bumpers. Typically, these bumpers weigh around 27 kilograms more than regular ones, but they offer much better durability. For example, the Chevy 2500 bumper is made from 4.7 and 8mm thick carbon steel, coated with a finish that resists impacts. It takes about 2 weeks to create and costs $2,750. You can boost your pickup truck's comfort for vacations with camping upgrades from Dirtbox Overland. The topper version resembles a strong truck cab, while the camper version features a tent module. Both versions include 12-volt sockets and built-in lighting. With a versatile design, you can easily customize based on your preferences. If you need mounts for fuel tanks or accessories, the manufacturer can add them effortlessly. The topper version is priced at $3,400. Dealing with a very tall pickup truck can be tough when you constantly have to climb onto the truck bed, even with ladders or steps. That's where the X-High becomes really useful. This drawer system is neatly set up above the pickup truck's sides, letting you work without having to climb onto the bed. The drawers are made from 3.1 mm thick aluminum, which is twice as thick as many other models in the market. The standard X-High setup usually includes 4 to 6 drawers, and in terms of cost, you're looking at around $4,800. Instead of working harder, try working smarter, is a piece of advice for the people who made CargoGlide. This system makes it easy to move heavy things without having to climb into the back of a truck. Even if there's almost 1,000 kilograms of stuff, you can slide the CargoGlide out with just one hand. It's already put together, so setting it up only takes about 30 minutes. The size and what it can carry depend on the type of pickup truck you have, but to get this system, you'll have to spend around $1,400. We did it! Cheers to the Limitless chassis team! They worked hard to make a tailgate step that fits on any truck. And here's what they made. It can hold up to 120 kilograms, folds down to a thin 40 millimeters, and you can control it with just one hand. As an extra feature, it can also extend the truck bed like a tailgate. And guess what? You get all of this for $895. Take a look at how the TOWABIKE team works. They're always set to move or tow a motorcycle anytime, day or night. The TOWABIKE team uses pickup trucks that are about 5 meters in length. These trucks have a special hydraulic lifting system, which makes it easy to put the bikes on and off, even if you're doing it alone.